My name is Heidi Berg. I'm Norwegian, but have been living in Shanghai for nearly 5 years now. And throughout my whole career, I've been traveling and working in different countries. I think it's more than 10 now, which I've enjoyed a lot. But from the very first time I was sent on a project assignment abroad, I realized something. I was not given any introduction to the different culture in the country I was going to. And that actually led me to make quite a few mistakes. Some of them, or most of them, small blunders, but it would always take a bit of resource and thinking and sorting out to get back on track in a good and smooth working relationship with my colleagues or project partners. This experience made me realize that there are ways to work better. So I started studying a bit about cross-cultural working. And based on this, I developed a training course to share my experiences based on theoretical frameworks related to working cross-culturally. So what is cross-cultural working? So we typically talk about culture, like a definition of culture can actually be the way we do it here. So the thing we can't actually explain, or the way that's just natural to us. And when we talk about culture in a work setting, of course there are two main cultures. The first one is the company culture. And then we have our national or regional or more anthropological, you could say, culture. So I say national culture. And my training course is focused on this national culture. How to, for instance, make a team with Norwegians working with Chinese, reduce misunderstandings and work more efficiently. In taking part in my course, I'm very focused on that every participant should have some very tangible takeaways where they can do, this I can change. From tomorrow on, I can adapt small things in my communication, in the way I think about things, so that we work better together. And the 4 areas of main takeaways is 1, direct communication. And with direct communication, it's about the words we use and also where we use them. How do you use email compared to messaging, for example? The second one is indirect communication. So that is, what do I signal through the things I do, how I behave, and even what I'm wearing? How can we use this as a tool to improve cross-cultural work settings? The third takeaway is about expectations. What should you expect that your team members, your colleagues, or people reporting to you expect from you? So expectations go both ways. And from my experience here, that's the root of a lot of cross-cultural misunderstandings. So we will dive into that and get a better understanding of this. And then the last one is feedback and motivation. So how do you as a manager give feedback and motivate? How do you as a team member give feedback to others and motivate others? And how do you also give feedback upwards? So these are some elements to my cross-cultural training program. If you're interested to hear more, please reach out.